In this video, I'm going to show you how to stretch images and videos in CapCut quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want to make your clips fit a frame better, create a wider look, or adjust media without resizing everything the same way. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and go to your timeline. Select the image or video clip that you want to stretch. You need to click directly on the media in the timeline so CapCut knows exactly which clip you want to edit. Once it's selected, you'll see the editing options appear on the right side of the screen. Now look at the Properties panel in the top right corner. Make sure you're on the Video tab because that's where the size and transform settings are located. Under the Video tab, go down to the Basics section. This section contains the main controls for adjusting your clip. Next, scroll down until you find Position and Size. If the menu is collapsed, click on it to expand it. This is where CapCut keeps the controls for changing how your image or video appears on the canvas. A lot of users miss this step because the option can be tucked away, so make sure you open it before moving on. Now find the Uniform Scale option. This setting keeps the width and height linked together, which means your clip resizes evenly in all directions. If you want to stretch your media instead of scaling it proportionally, you need to turn Uniform Scale off. Click the toggle or checkbox to disable it. Once Uniform Scale is turned off, CapCut unlocks two separate controls, Scale Width and Scale Height. This is the key step that lets you stretch your media the way you want. If you want to make the image or video wider, click and drag the Scale Width slider to the right. That will stretch it horizontally. If you want to make it taller or compress and stretch it vertically, use the Scale Height slider instead. Dragging that slider to the right will stretch the clip up and down. You can also combine both adjustments if you want a custom stretched look. Just be careful not to overdo it, because stretching too far can make the image or video look distorted. A good tip is to preview your clip after each adjustment. That way, you can see whether the stretched look fits your project. If you're editing for social media, a stretched image can help fill the screen better. If you're working on a cinematic or creative edit, it can also give your video a stylized effect. And that's it. Once you turn off Uniform Scale, you can easily stretch images and videos in CapCut using the Scale Width and Scale Height sliders. It's a simple feature, but it can make a big difference in how your edits look. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next video.